So let's start by opening up the bonnet and checking out what kind of connector we have in there at the moment. Bonnet. This one here. Here. Right, let's go. Okay, let's take off the box cover and see what we have underneath. Okay. So for the positive terminal, we literally only need to disconnect this end, and then we can reconnect the top part here with our new connector. And this other negative side is going to be a little bit more work, and we're going to have to figure that out as we go along, guys. Stay tuned if you want to see how we do it. And if you're excited for this video and excited for us to get back out on track again, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and make sure you don't miss out when we post our stuff. Let's go. Supplied on Amazon, so if you're looking for it, links will be in the description box below. Before we go on with the video, I just want to show you guys some of the merchandise that we've been working on in the background. So we obviously have the hoodies that you guys have been seeing in the last few videos. Very cool, the Zebros hoodie. We also have the Zebros t-shirts. We're doing hats with the Dub Monkey Garage logo on them, beanies and stickers. So if you'd love to support us and show us some love, we're very small, we're literally just doing this so we can get our brand out there and get more of you guys wearing our stuff at events such as the track days, even just like any kind of event, car meets, stuff like that. So if you'd like to support us, the link will be in the description box below, and it'll be in the top pinned comment, so it should make it very easy. Just click that link and then check out our stuff. We're very excited to announce it, and we hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, before I waffle on too much, back to the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. See ya. So I think this is a 12mm. Yes, it is. Take that bolt off, place it to the side, remove this. This is the wire. Ouch. This is the wire for my gauges. Unfortunately, we were very busy at the time of doing that particular job, so it didn't quite make the cut. Okay, I'm gonna try and take this to the side a bit. I have noticed before that this one in here is an absolute pain to get in at. This one here. So I might try and go get a cloth just so I can cover that. I'm gonna remove that and wrap the connection point in the lovely cloth just to be sure that we don't electrocute ourselves. Right, so I think this one here should be a 10mm bolt. It's a bit of a nightmare to get in at. Okay, so we have that loosened there now. Don't know how good of a shot you guys have of that. The connection point is loosened. I'm gonna remove this old, kind of shitty one, I won't lie. Right. So we'll crack open our box and remove our new terminal connectors. Okay, so now we have our beautiful new positive terminal connection, and I'm gonna grab one of these pads just to cover it up. Which one of these fits better? Okay, and we're gonna pop one of these red terminal connectors on it just to cover the bottom of it in case of any leaks or anything like that. Okay, covered. So now this should just fit over nicely, and it does. That's perfect. Okay, so you'll see here that it has this connection point on this side. What we're going to do is we're going to move this over to the far side, so when we do need to remove the battery terminal in the future, we can do it much easier and without having to remove this shroud or have to pull at the shroud to do so. See, just as easy as that. And now it should make our life a lot easier in the future when we need to remove the battery terminal. Let's remove this bolt here, this nut. Oh, I'm always saying that wrong. Here, remove our little orange cap, little red cap from the top. Sit that on here nicely. Nice and tight, secure, not going anywhere. So remove the little red cap from the top, and we'll see our connection point in here. And boom, we have a new connection point with the cap cover on it, nice and secure, ready to go. Right, so we have that wired up, so the positive terminal is now fully completed and track ready. So that's how you do that side, and the wiring for the gauge is all complete as well. Sorry about that. So the last two batteries went dead on me. We're on to the third. Cool. So we have, as I said in the last clip, the whole positive side completed. So now we need to do negative side and get that off and ready to go. So we can start with our 10. Okay. I'm gonna pop that down there. I'm gonna check out how we're supposed to fucking do this shit. Oh yeah, I'm still recording. So I need a Phillips head to remove this from this. And it looks like someone's already been at this before, which is unusual. So I'm gonna go get the Phillips head. Sorry about the plane flying overhead. That's super low. Alright, this looks high on camera. Right, I'm gonna go grab that and I'll be back to you guys in a second. Now we have them two out, and this should just pull away. Yes. Okay. So that's one half of the job completed. This is a big ball of copper wire. There was a bit of a fuck up there with some shift out. Sorry now. Okay, we have that on now. Green neutral connector wire on. Green neutral pad connector on. Bolt for this one is already on the inside. Don't know if that's focusing on it. So the bolt for this is already on the inside, so we should be all good. So it's just a matter of just taking this bolt off the top. Place your battery terminals on your 350Z. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. It was a bit of an easy one, but needs to be done.